Good morning. Today is 19th August 2026. Let us find out this LCM. Very simple example of LCM, LCM and HCF of the numbers. Okay. For example, we have taken in that way the LCM. Let us we take three numbers. Three numbers. How to find out find the three numbers? Find the HCF and LCM of, let us say, number 72, 120, and let us a small number, that is 6, 72 and 120. These three numbers, if we will take 6, what is the factorization of 6? The product of 6 equal to 2 into 3, and 72 equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2, and 120, that is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 3, 24, 24 into 5, 120 equal to 120. Here is 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 1 are the smallest power of the common factor. The smallest power of the common factor. Power of common factor. What is that? The smallest power of common factor of 2 and 3 respectively. 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1 is the smallest power of common factors. Okay, so HCF, what is the HCF of 6, 72, 120? What is the HCF of 6, 72? That is 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1. That is 6. Okay. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1 are the greatest power prime factor of 2, 3 and 5 respectively involved in the three numbers. That is 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 1 are the smallest powers of the common factor. Smallest power of the common factor. You might have learned in the earlier years, that is in the standard of 8 and 7, that is called 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 1 are the greatest power factors. Here is 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 1 are the greatest, GREATEST, greatest powers of the prime factor. That is 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power are 5 to the power 1 are the greatest powers of the prime factors 2, 3, 5 respectively. 2, 3, 5. Okay. That is LCM of 6, 72 and 120 equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. 2 to the power LCM of 672 120 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. Okay, that is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1, that is 360. Okay, you might have noticed in that 672 into 120. Let us see, 6 into 72 into 120 is not equal to HCF of 6, 72 and 120. Okay, into LCM of that. The product of a 6, 72, 120, 6 into 72 into 120 is not equal to HCF of 6, 72 and 120 into LCM of. So the product of the three numbers is not equal to the product of their HCM and LCM. So the product of the product of product of three number is not equal to is not equal to the product of their LCM and HCF. The product of the three numbers is not equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. And tomorrow we will start polynomial. Okay, polynomial.